Hi, it's Mrs. Golding. I am in 4, section 7-4 in your packet, and we are on page 557, number 34. Okay, so I bet 100% some of you sat down and you looked at this problem and you're like, it's 10, right? Because it looks like, I'm just taking this number 3 and 3/4 and I'm multiplying it by 10 to get 33 and 3/4. Or maybe some of you said 11 because 3 times 11 is 33, right? So some of you might just have these thoughts in your head. Hey, I love those thoughts. Okay, I'm not gonna say that's wrong. First of all, it is wrong, but wrong answers are a good path to the right answer, right? So, what is 3 and 3/4 times 10? Well, for me, I would think about money, right? Again, there's not just one way to think about things, but this is just one. Look, 3 and 3/4 is $3.75. And if I take that times 10, remember when you multiply by a factor of 10, you're just moving that decimal over. So I really get 37.50. So if m is equal to 10, then my product is too big, right? So I can be like, ooh, 10 is too big. Let's move down and let's just see what we get. Now, guess and check is not hardly ever the most efficient way to do things. But again, why not? Give it a try, right? So $3.75 times 9. Let's just see what we get. I mean, we can move around, right? 9 times 5 is 45. And 9 times 7 is 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, right? So we're going to have a 6 here. 9 times 3 is 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. Holy mackerel. Okay, now wait, move my decimal over 2, right? Because I have those two places. $33.75. Is that the same as 33 and 3/4? Absolutely. So my answer is M is equal to 9. Okay, M is equal to 9. Now, there's tons of ways that you could have approached this. The standard algorithm would say this. We're going to take 33 and 3/4, and we're going to divide it by 3 and 3/4. Okay, standard algorithm would say, let's make them both improper. 33 times 4. 33 times 4. Okay, let's work this out. We can do this. 12, 12, 13. 132 plus 3. 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 135 fourths divided by 4 times 3 is 12, 13, 14, 15 fourths. Okay. Now we got to multiply by the reciprocal. So we've got to take 135 fourths, keep that, multiply by the reciprocal. That's the flip, right? Okay, 4 and 4 are both divisible by 4. So that becomes 1 and 1. How many times does 15 go into 135? So it becomes a division problem, 135 divided by 15, right? We could also think about common factors. 5 is an obvious one for me, right? Or you could just take 15 goes into 135. Well, let's do it both ways. 15 divided by 5 is 3. Instead of taking 15 here, what's 135 divided by 5? 5 times 2 is 10, 15, and 3. So this becomes 23. So I get 23 thirds. 23 thirds. 3 goes into 23 7 times, right? 23 thirds. Am I getting the same answer? What did I get before? 9? What in the world did I do wrong? Where did I go wrong? See if you can figure it out. I'm going to look at this for a minute and see what I did wrong. Come back to me.